How to block a player in Sausage Man. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are in Sausage Man and want to block a player, then blocking someone prevents them from contacting you or interacting with you through certain in-game features. First of all, open up the Sausage Man application on your device and sign into your account. Once you're inside the main lobby page, go ahead and tap on the social tab on the right corner from your lobby screen. Once you're inside the social tab, go ahead and select one of the person you want to block from your friend list or from your follow list. Tap on their name and then click on the gear button on the right corner and click on Add to Block List. Confirm by tapping the confirm button in the pop-up and you'll be able to add the selected player to your block list. And that's it. You've successfully blocked a player in Sausage Man. If you ever change your mind, you can remove them from your block list and you'll be able to unblock them again. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.